Hey guys, what's going on? First video of the tractor build, I guess that's what it will be. Picked this up about a week or so ago. I've been looking at it or meaning to go talk to the guy about it for way over a year and just never did. I really kicked myself for not doing that. This is a Gravely late 70s, early 80s GMT 9000. It's a commercial tractor. It's got a 72-inch cut deck on it, 4-cylinder, Continental badged, but it's not a Continental, it's a French motor. Cool part is I got an extra motor with it. This one's more desirable because it has the 3-point hitch and the PTO. I just dropped the rear end fluid, which was 99% water, which worries me. It was clear water, so it didn't have any rust in it. I don't know. This is a hydrostatic, but it also has gears. Kind of weird setup. I don't know internally how the transmission is laid out, so I don't know how bad the water is for it. The good part is I got this thing for $300, and these are pretty rare tractors. You don't see a lot of them. Gravely didn't make a lot of them. As you can see, the steering shaft is bent like crazy. The only thing I did when I got it, I put new coal and condenser on it, and it fired. I sanded the points and I got fire. The carb, I don't think I'll overlay. I might try to overlay some pictures. The carb was in rough shape. I bought a rebuild kit, rebuilt it, and just kind of made my own little air filter there, and it fired right up. So I might take you all along. I probably will. Just kind of on this build on how things go. So this is the intro for it. It is currently running. I'm not trying to move it. Of course, it doesn't have any fluid in it. So I'm going to pull this jack off, or I've already pulled the jack off, and I'm going to get all the muck off of it and try to see if I can find a rebuild kit for that. Parts for these are kind of scarce, but I have a feeling that a lot of these parts are sourced from other manufacturers. So, as always, thanks for watching.